cold, still falling also.
Wind is north at 20 miles per hour and gusting to 28 miles per hour. Let's check out exactly what's going on in the weather directly from the source, the WCBS Weather Center, and Greg Allen.
Alan, blowing snow is going to be a major factor in trying to clear the roads all day today because those winds will continue to gust up to 30, 35 miles per hour at times. There's still just some light snow falling in New York, Newark, and on down through New Brunswick to Trenton. There's a heavier snow still falling and accumulating, too, across parts of lower Queens into Nassau County, Suffolk County, and most of Connecticut. That's beginning to taper off. There's still the same estimate for by about 9 o'clock, all of the accumulating snow out of the immediate listening area and then moving on up into the rest of New England, where they will experience the same old blizzard with as much as a foot of snow on up there in New England. Now, the snow will taper off. The wind will be with us through the day, as I said. The official forecast from the WCBS Weather Center, blowing and drifting that snow around. Middle 20s to near 30. Clear and cold in the low 20s tonight. Sunday will be partly sunny, melting some of the snow. Tomorrow's highs in the mid-30s. And it should get up to near 40 degrees on Monday under partly cloudy skies to aid in getting the city and all surrounding areas back on their feet in time for the new work week. I'm sure school children aren't too happy about that, but that's the way it goes. A snowstorm, a blizzard, call it that, coming on during Friday afternoon into the weekend, and snowfall accumulations around the entire area, generally in the 18 to 22-inch range, Alan.
And where is this storm located right now?
It is now about 165 miles to the